So, hello everyone. Today, I'm going to answer at least 10 questions. Number 1, what is ballistics? So, ballistics is defined as the science of the motion of the projectile and condition that affects its motion. Number 2, explain the 3 types of motion in projectile. So, first is direct motion. It is the forward motions of the bullet or shots out of the shell by the actions of the expansive force of gases coming from the burning gunpowder. And second, rotatory motion. It is the actions of the bullet passing through the rifle-barreled firearm, which is either twisted to the left or to the right. And third is translational motion. So, it is the actions of the bullet once it hits an object or to the target and subsequently ricocheted. Number 3, discuss the branches of ballistics. So, first is interior or internal ballistics. So, it is the branch of ballistics which traits of the motions of the projectile while still inside the firearms, which extends from the breech to the muzzle. And second, exterior or external ballistics. So, it treats of the attributes or movement of the projectile after leaving the gun muzzle. It is the extended from the muzzle of the gun of the target or any attributes to the motions of the projectile while it is in flight and before reaching the target. And next is terminal ballistics. So it is the branch of ballistics that deals with the effect of the projectile impact on the target. Next is forensic ballistics. So it is defined as the study of the motions of the projectile as applied to law or simply the science of firearms identification by means of the ammunition fired through them. Number 4, what is trajectory? So, trajectory, this refers to the parabola-like flight of the projectile from the time it leaves the muzzle until it hits the target. It is also described as the actual curved path taken by the bullet during its flight. Number 5, discuss the scope of forensic ballistics. So first is field investigation. This is the work of the first officer on the case in the field. It is a preliminary routine job on the investigator officer. Second is ballistics technical examinations of the exhibits. So this phase involves the participations of the firearm identification examiner. It is a scope cover the marking of the evidences, test firing, examinations of ballistics exhibit using caliper, bullet comparison microscope, and other significant instruments, preparations of comparative chart and reports to the findings and conclusions as regard to examination undertaken. And next is legal proceedings. So this is the last and yet one of the most critical part in the field of firearms identification. So it is also in this stage, the qualifications and competence and expertise of the examiners is determined and tested. Number 6, give the legal definition of firearms. So, firearms or arms as herein used includes rifles, muskets, carbines, shotguns, pistols, revolver, and all other deadly weapons from which a bullet, ball, shot, shell, or other missiles may be discharged by means of gunpowder and other explosives. Number 7, distinguish smooth-bore firearm and rifle-bore firearm. So, smooth-bore firearm is the firearms that have no rifling inside their gun barrel. Example is shotgun and muskets. Then, rifle-bore firearms is the firearms that have rifling inside their gun barrel. Examples is pistol, revolver, and other modern weapons. Number 8, enumerate the miscellaneous types of firearms. So first is zip gun, second cane gun, knife gun, knife pistol, and cell phone gun. Third is flare gun. Fourth is gas gun. Fifth, harpoon gun. Sixth is liberator. Next is multi-barreled gun, the paradox gun, and tool gun, and lastly, trap gun. So, number 9, what is an ammunition? So, ammunition refers to a loaded shell for rifles, muskets, carbines, shotguns, revolver, and pistol from which a ball, shot shell, or other missiles may be fired by means of gunpowder or other explosives. And number 10, how do you describe projectile? So, the word projectile, it is a generic term used in the referring to any metallic or non-metallic ball that is propelled from a firearm. So, it is also be referred as to bullet, slug, shot, or missiles.